So today's video is gonna be using Fix-A-Flat. Let me show y'all. Well, let me first show y'all the tires. Okay, because I came out this morning and it was completely flat. It's completely on the ground. As you can see, I feel like you can't really see on camera, or maybe when I watch it back you can see. But now that I moved my car, I can kind of see, like, I guess this is the nail, because I wasn't there before. This big nail, that's the only thing I can see that's different. That must be the reason why it's completely flat on the ground. But the Fix-A-Flat says to rotate it to where the puncture is at 6 o'clock, so on the ground. So I'm gonna kind of just move the car a little bit. But damn, completely flat. I feel like it's hard to see on camera. Hopefully when I watch it back you can tell better.
And this is the Fix-A-Flat that I'm using. Standard tire. And then these are the directions. I've never used Fix-A-Flat before. We just have to follow these instructions and hope it works. I think this is enough for shaking. Okay. Got the tube out. So I'm going to tighten this onto the valve and then take this safety out.
And for y'all, well, I think I need to. Don't forget to tell whoever fixes your tire that you use that spray stuff. Why? Why do I have to tell them that? Go outside. Is that gonna? What happens when I tell them that? It's important. Okay. Well, I think I need like a whole new tire, honestly. And then tighten this on here. Boom valve. Boom valve. That's how you fix that. Oh my gosh. Air's coming out. No. It says to put it on tightly, but the air is coming out. It's saying nothing about the air coming out. Okay. It's on tightly. Take the safety tab off. It said, do not shake it while you press it. Ah! Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I hope this works. Please work. Please. Ooh, it's raising up. It's going up. Oh my gosh. It's going up. It's going up. It's going up. It's going up. Yo. Hey, yo. Oh, how far is it going to go up though? Oh, you can see where it was rubbing on the ground at. That's it. Depress the button and hold until sealant stops flowing. Okay, until it stops flowing. Make sure tire rim is lifted off of the ground, not at tire pressure. Immediately drop 2 to 4 miles to allow the pressure to increase. If needed, inflate to manufacturers. Okay, so if needed, inflate it. Okay, take it off. Ah! Okay. Oh, it's empty. Dang, my thumb is numb after holding it like that. Holding it down so hard. Okay, put this back on here. So I'm gonna drive to the gas station, cause that's gonna be like 2 miles. This is it right now. So it's higher off the ground. I'm gonna go drive it like I said. But yeah, this is it. After I drove a little bit, now I'm about to try to pump it up. Somebody try to go live with me? I missed it. I think it should be this way. They would have known, you know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. I'm testing out this fix flat, feel me? I'm doing an experiment on this flat. Is it going up? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's going up. Hopefully my phone doesn't go up. How long is it gonna stay up is the question. That's the true question. How long before it deflates? Because it say you can ride 100 miles or 3 days to like get the tire repair with 100 miles or 3 days after you do fix flat. Well, I'm just trying to see. Because you know it was super flat and they do got a nail in it. Bubbling, and you know when it bubbled, I mean that's where it's a hole at, right? Oh man. So does that mean it's a hole right there? Oh man, it's still bubbling. It must be a hole right there. That must be where, you know what I'm saying, the issue is. What the heck? Oops. You see that? But it is bubbling right here, and it's still bubbling. So it must be right there. I don't know. But this is it with extra air from Quick Trip. From there we go. And the time. Okay. I still don't see it. Okay. And it's 3:59.